Okay, so we have our removed Sports Chrono housing, and you need a T8 screwdriver, and there's 4 T8 Torx 8 screws. Fairly straightforward. 1, 2, and up in there, 3, and 4. Doesn't matter, obviously you turn that the right way up and out they come, and out comes your Sports Chrono clock. Make sure you keep a hold of your Torx screwdrivers, and then the plastic housing comes off, and there's your Sports Chrono clock, which we will put safely and not use anymore. Off you go. Now, what we have is our display unit. Our new display unit has the same connector as the Sports Chrono loom. This is our prototype loom, so hopefully this will be able to get a bit smaller, but this housing will fit quite nicely back into our Sports Chrono housing. So we've got the top pin, just make sure you can locate that back into the hole. Then our plastic bottom cover goes back on, goes into the bottom pinhole, and allows us to connect back our T8 screws back in. Now don't tighten these up fully, as we've got a small fillet piece here that comes with as well, which is, I'll show you in a second. That's 1, that's 2. Bear with me. Three, right, so that's the 4 screws in, 4 T8s, not fully torqued up, because as you can see there's a gap where our screen is more vertical and doesn't have the round, so we have this fillet piece, which fairly straightforward. We can just slot in, and that sits in the front quite nicely and fills in that gap, and then we can go back round and fully tighten our 4 T8s. Voila, so that's now, we've got our new display in the housing and our loom ready to plug in.